Hello, how are you?
Hello, Nishit. I'm good.
Yes, मैडम। हमारे साथ आज का जो सेशन है वो सेशंस हमने स्पेशली डेडिकेटेड किया है स्टूडेंट्स के लिए। आज के हमारे सेशन में ज्यादातर स्टूडेंट्स जिनके पास आइल्स रेडी है वो लोग जुड़ने वाले हैं। ठीक है, तो जैसे आप बोले मैं सारे स्टूडेंट्स को लूं। मेरी इच्छा है पहले बोवेली कॉलेज का एक थोड़ा बहुत उसका रिव्यू दीजिए, उसके बाद हम वन बाय वन स्टूडेंट को हम इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर के लिए हम जुड़ेंगे। पहले हम सिर्फ आप और मैं ही अनम्यूटेड रहेंगे, बाकी सारे स्टूडेंट्स को मैं म्यूट करूंगा। ठीक है मैम, तो मैं सारे को इनवाइट कर ही लूं अभी।
Sure.
यस।
Huh?
बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स और पेरेंट्स अभी आ गए हमारे सेशन में। तो अभी सारे जो स्टूडेंट्स और पेरेंट्स यहाँ पे जुड़े हैं उनके लिए मैं बताना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि आप लोग हमको सुन पाएंगे लेकिन अभी आप बोल नहीं पाएंगे। तो आज का जो हमारा पूरा सेशन रहेगा ये सेशन है बो वैली कॉलेज जो कि अल्बर्टा में लोकेटेड है और वो गवर्नमेंट एचडीएस कॉलेज है। उनके रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स हमारे इंडिया के मिस ईशा वो आज हमारे साथ है और हमको बोवेली कॉलेज की इंफॉर्मेशन देगी। जैसे सितंबर मई 21 या फिर सितंबर 21 इंटेक या फिर उसके बाद का जनवरी 22 ये इंटेक के लिए अगर आपको जाना होगा तो आप कैसे जा पाएंगे, कौन सा कोर्सेज ले पाएंगे, वहां की आइल्स की रिक्वायरमेंट क्या होगी और दूसरे सारे ऑप्शंस आपको ईशा जी से सुनने को मिलेंगे। ये डायरेक्ट रिप्रेजेंट करती है बोवेली कॉलेज को और वो पूरा इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स को पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन देना, उनका कोर्स के बारे में समझाना, लोकेशन के बारे में समझाना, कॉलेजेस के ज्यादा से ज्यादा ऑप्शंस स्टूडेंट तक पहुंचाना। उनके पास बहुत ही ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस है। तो नाउ मैं ईशा जी को बोलूंगा कि वो पूरा ये इवेंट को आगे चलाए। लास्ट में इंटरेस्टेड स्टूडेंटों के साथ हम वन बाय वन काउंसलिंग करेंगे और उनको हम अनम्यूट करेंगे। तो लास्ट में अगर जिसके पास क्वेश्चन है वो अपना हैंड रेज कर सकते हैं जूम के अंदर, हमको यहाँ पे दिखेगा तो हम उनको अनम्यूट करेंगे, उनका क्वेश्चंस लेंगे। तो इस तरीके से हम पूरा इवेंट को आज चलाने वाले हैं। ठीक है, तो अभी मैं ईशा जी को बोलूंगा कि वो प्लीज अपना आगे का इवेंट स्टार्ट करें। यस ईशा जी। हेलो ईशा जी, हेलो।
Yes, Nishit, I can hear you.
Yes.
All right, so can we start?
हेलो ईशा जी।
Right, now I am able to do.
यस मैम।
Okay, great. So again, for all the students, so I am sure you have certain questions regarding, why should you choose Calgary? Why should you come to Bow Valley College, right? So that is how we will be moving on to through the presentation, covering why you should choose the location, why you should choose this institute particularly, and what are the programs and what are the requirements. All right. So moving on to starting from where we are located. So we all are, Bow Valley College is located in Calgary City. The biggest advantage why you should choose this place is that it is lowest cost of living. All right. So lowest cost of living, how? You'll see that cost comparison you see. So first semester, for every 6 months, you will have the total of 15,000 CAD. If you are going to Calgary, and so it'll be 20,000 or 21,000 if you will be going to Toronto or Vancouver. Okay, so you have to choose why. I mean, it'll be a wise decision if you choose Calgary. Secondly, why you should come to Calgary is that we have 1.5 million residents. So those of you don't know, so 15 lakhs people, that's all. So 15 lakhs people means lesser competition, more jobs, right? So, and you can see here the accommodation is also half the price. If the population is less, things are much less expensive than they are actually. And thirdly, you see, okay, so fifth most livable city in the world. So in the world means this is considered as top 3 beautiful places on earth. All right, so definitely while you come to study, you can do many other things. So right here we are, which is 1.5 hour flight away from Vancouver and 4 hour flight away from Toronto and Montreal. All right, now coming to the college, what about the college that you should decide that we should, come to this institute particularly? So we are established for over 50 years. We are a student-focused community college. Diversity. We are a diverse community of 150 plus countries, students. Now, the most important part is that our programs are designed in partnership with industry leaders. So you don't have to worry about what will be the job opportunities. Okay, you will get the job because our programs are designed in partnership with the industry companies. Okay, so like co-op or hospital assignments or like health assignments, right? And then in computers there are lots of competitions, internships. um, then affordable tuition fee. So for business, for community studies like programs like social work, child and youth care, or early childhood education comes under these. Business we did community studies. Health, we have health administration and pharmacy technician. And then there is creative technologies. So creative technologies like computer programs, software development, cybersecurity, or let's say information technology systems. So these come under all these here. Now, global access is something we all are doing anyways right now. That you are able to study from India itself. So for business, community studies, and health, it is 15,000 CAD Canadian dollars for 1 year, which is around 8 lakhs for 1 year. Okay. And creative technologies is for 20,000 CAD, which is around 12 lakhs for 1 year. All right. So this is the tuition fee on an average for 1 year. And living expenses, I told you, these would be these 15,000 CAD for 6 months. Now, 93% of our programs are with working component. Now, what are those? We'll move on to the next slide before very quickly covering what our graduate rate is, 88%. Now, what are the 93%? You see this 93% figure? What is this? So for business, it is co-op. For health, it is practicums, like your assignments you will be doing in hospitals. Then community studies, again, practicums like early childhood education, so child care homes, or for disability studies, special care homes. So you will be doing your assignments there or internship there. Then for computers, same. Everything will be online. Well, for now, internships, competitions, and workshops. So this is basically online co-op. Okay. Now for business school, so affordable tuition we have covered. This is co-op. Networking opportunities we have, and then entrepreneurship program. I mean, we organize various level of programs. So Venture Quest is one. So just to give you an idea how important this is, it is awarded by, the prize money is up to 20,000 Canadian dollars, which are sponsored by the businessmen and business people of Calgary itself. Then we also organize competitions, not only in Alberta, but also throughout Canada, so which is provincial as well as national. Then intercultural exchange. So if you apply at a business program, you are also eligible for intercultural exchanges for Japan and Europe. Okay. And this we have already covered. Calgary Chamber is like a business event generally. Now these are our programs. So generally and mostly students apply for 2 year business diploma, and then law students apply for legal assistant. But there are science students who do not have maths. Okay. And they apply for hospital unit clerk, medical office assistant, veterinary office assistant, depending on their preferences. And so administrative professional, this is another for general students. However, so there are students who are looking for 1 year programs also. I mean, they have lots of work experience and they want to apply for just 1 year programs. So they apply for human resources or 1 year business administration. All right. So that's that. Now, in 2 year business, as we initially covered, like lots of BCom students apply, lots of even yeah, BCom students majorly. So if they want to study accounting, they will have to do first year is going to be common for all these, which is business administration. Now second year will be whatever you choose. Okay, which will be either accounting or digital marketing or financial services or human resources, or depending on your studies. insurance and risk management, or supply chain management. All right. Now, why are students, or those who have done graduation, those who have done work experience, they have, so why do they apply for a 2-year business diploma? It's because okay, so they are already, positions are already there for them when they complete the 2-year diploma. If they do it in insurance and risk management, they are eligible for CIP position. If they do it in supply chain, they are eligible for SCMP. Right here it is. If they study human resources, they apply for CPHR. Okay, they are eligible for CPHR. So these are the positions they already are ready for them to become in Canada. Similarly, there are some students who look for, you know, I would say academic career, like for accounting students, they want to do CPA in Canada. So once you complete a 2-year program with us at Bow Valley College, lots of credits will be transferred from your accounting diploma to CPA program. Then we also have lots of partners. So students who have low percentage, they are not eligible directly for a university. So what they can do is they can first complete 2-year diploma in supply chain, and then they can continue at SAIT for supply chain management degree, BBA degree. And lastly, similarly, like accounting, so FPSC level 1 is something, again, students who want to study more, they complete financial services 2-year diploma, and then they move on to FPSC level 1. Uh, so these are our university transfers. Athabasca, University of Calgary, ULET, SAIT, MRU, and yeah, so these are the universities in Alberta only. Otherwise, all these university and pathways we have in all of Canada. Now, through these slides, you'll be able to see, these are the positions you can see once you complete this program. So she's one of our graduate from 2-year diploma and currently working as research and policy coordinator. Now, community studies. So this is really gaining the popularity in Canada, especially in Alberta, I should say. So if you type top 10 jobs in Calgary, so it will come out as early childhood education will be the first one. Okay, so which is why this program is super famous. And similar programs are child and youth care, and then social work. All right, so these are the famous program for their curriculum, like how they are delivered. I mean, right now it's online, but then in normal times, so not only the classroom teaching is done, but also the real workplaces. Like I told you, for this program, uh, child care homes, so you will be working there as your assignment. Then lots of humanity students with subjects like political science, and then economics, so they apply for justice studies. So this is a 2-year program which will give you 3 year of work permit, right? So you can absolutely apply for justice studies. Again, first year will be common justice studies, and second year will be any one of these, whichever you want to study. And those of you want to become a teacher in Canada, so you can do education assistant. All right. Now, this is the salary median for these programs. So 40,000 to 90,000 1 year. In 1 year, you can expect. Like I said, this program is quite famous, which is the curriculum is quite famous. internationally awarded, and we also see student exchanges from these many countries. Again, she's one of our graduate from early childhood education, 2-year diploma, and currently working as an early learning educator. Now the health school. So I'm sure a lot of you must have done nursing or must have done B pharmacy and would like to apply for pharmacy technician or health and human services management, or if you have just cleared grade 12 and you want to do general healthcare, then you can apply for this healthcare aid. All right, so the important program in all of these three is health and human services management. All right. Now this is a program with like maximum number of seats available in all three intakes, which is January, May also, and then September also. uh, and students from backgrounds like who have done degrees in nursing or diploma general nursing and midwifery, or B pharmacy, physiotherapy, so they all, or dentistry also, so they all apply for uh, human resources and health and human services management. Then pharmacy technician is a program, usually students who have done B pharma, they also apply for this. Then, as you can see, 2 months of practicum placements is also done, and which is why 91% is a graduate rate. And this will be this median salary, which of course has increased for this year. Now, she's one of our health and human services management post diploma, which is a postgrad program, and currently working as a supervisor. And lastly, we have creative technologies, which is computer as well as designing programs. All right. In computers, we have cybersecurity, software development, information technology systems, and also software development, like both the levels, 2 year also and 1 year also. And then designing programs, we have kitchen and bath design, like interior designing basically, uh, digital design for graphic designers, interior decorating, that's another program, and digital marketing is something we accept for any graduate. So doesn't matter BA, BCom, BSc, we accept for digital marketing. All right. Now the median salary you can see is much higher compared to all other programs, which is 70,000 to 120,000 Canadian dollars for 1 year. Okay. And along with the certification, you'll also get the IT industry recognized certificates. And so I'm sure you are happy to see this person representing the West region of India, currently working as a software developer, and he studied software development, a 2 year diploma. All right. Now, for those of you who are just looking for only post grad options, right? If you have done BTech in computers or electronics and communication, you can apply for cybersecurity, software development. If you have done architecture, then you can, or interior designing, then you can apply for kitchen and bath design. If you have done nursing, pharmacy, physiotherapy, dentistry, you can apply for health. Or lastly, doesn't matter BA, BCom, BSc, you can apply for digital marketing. All right. All right. So all we have covered this. It's just this part you need to see. English proficiency. So IELTS 6 overall with no band less than 6 is our requirement. Okay. Only pharmacy technician requires 6.5 and 6. Otherwise, all other programs require 6. And we also accept Duolingo 95 and above score, and TOEFL and PTE with these respective scores. All right. So with this, I am going to just stop sharing my screen